In this lesson, we're going to explore OpenAI's ChatGPT and learn how to use its official documentation. Understanding the architecture, usage, and features of ChatGPT is super important to make the most out of this tool. We'll find out how to easily move around in OpenAI's documentation. Let's get started. Documentation means a bunch of written things that tell you all about a computer program, like how to use it and what cool things it can do. Knowing how ChatGPT works and what it can do is really important. OpenAI's documentation has lots of useful information that helps you get the best out of it. Whether you want to write stories or solve problems, anyone who's interested in ChatGPT can use OpenAI's documentation. Whether you are a computer whiz, a writer, or just someone who likes chatting with computers, it's for you. If you want to know how to access and explore OpenAI's documentation, here are 5 steps. Step 1. Go to OpenAI's website. Visit OpenAI's official website, https://platform.openai.com, and look for the documentation section. Step number 2. Check different parts. Explore different sections like getting started, API reference, use cases, and more. Step number 3. Read and learn. Read the sections that catch your eye. Learn about the features and tips they mentioned. Step number 4. Make use of the ready-made instructions given. They're like starter ideas to help you get what you want from ChatGPT. Step number 5. Try the playground. OpenAI often gives playground for you to play around with ChatGPT. Use it to test things out and see how ChatGPT responds to different instructions. You can tweak things like temperature and max tokens to influence ChatGPT's responses. You should check out the documentation when you're just starting to use ChatGPT or whenever you need help or more information on a specific feature. ChatGPT can help you understand the documentation by explaining things or giving examples related to what you're reading. To summarize, diving into OpenAI's ChatGPT documentation is like getting a map to a new city. It guides you through what ChatGPT can do and how you can use it best. So, don't hesitate to dive in and explore.